what we're going to be using for our bath today is something you can get on Amazon called Carefree Enzymes chicken shampoo. You get about 8 baths out of this 16-ounce bottle. You use 2 ounces per bath. And what I've learned is you soak the bird 15 minutes. So you dump it in, put a top on, let the bird soak for 15 minutes. And then, like, if there's a big hard ball of poop, it's going to come right off if you kind of massage at it. So it's kind of gross anyways, but this is the best thing where you're not ripping out feathers all the time when you're trying to get your birds clean. So you need 2 ounces per bath. I don't have anything that measures ounces, but I learned that apparently 2 tablespoons is an ounce. So I'm going to put in 4 of these to 4 liters of water, and then that's going to bathe my chicken. So this bottle used to be $17 when I bought it, which was insane, but if it works, it's worth it. But this went down to about $9.50 and you get 8 baths, so that should last a while unless you've got a real problem.
You always want to test the chicken bath water temperature, just like you would for an infant, I think. I don't know, we don't have babies, but I would imagine, right? Your fingertips are not going to be as heat sensitive as the sensitive skin on your elbow or your forearm, so that's a better judge because chickens run a little hotter than mammals do because they're reptiles, and they're a little bit more heat sensitive, so you don't want to overheat your chicken. She doesn't want to go in real hot water, so be aware of that.
Don't flap. There we go. Ooh, that was a good transition.
Indeed.
Oh, oh no. Flip it.
Which direction do you want to face?
Alexa, start a timer for 15 minutes. I'm going to try to get that. Oh my goodness. She's a savage. And then the little piece of cheese will be floating in the water. It's classic. There goes one in the water.
Oh my gosh, she thinks it's great. All of a sudden she's not terrified.
Oh, don't flap. Oh, there we go. That was pretty good. All right.
Poor Dottie.
Pretty girl.
Oh, Mama girl. Mama dry you.
See, this one's her head hidden because she's so scared.
Oh, poor Dottie.
So cute.
Oh.
Okay, here. Gotta dry your front, baby.
Look at that fluffy butt. He's a fluffy butt.
Oh, no flapping. We don't like flappers. No flapping. No flapping.
She's like, what?
Okay, left her a few Cheerios. Poor Thelma. Look at Thelma.
Oh, poor Thelma.
Penguin, hello. Nice girl. Hi. Hi, beautiful.
Well, now we got a clean chicken bum.